Want to delete apps from your iPhone but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to remove apps, and I'll also explain what to do if your iPhone won't let you delete them. So, let's get started. The first and easiest method is from your home screen or the app library. Simply find the app you want to remove, then tap and hold its icon. A menu will appear. Tap Remove App, then choose Delete App, and finally tap Delete to confirm. The app will now be removed from your iPhone. If you don't see the delete option or you want to check which apps are taking up the most storage, there's another method you can use. Open the Settings app, then go to General and tap iPhone Storage. Here you'll find a complete list of all the apps installed on your iPhone, sorted by how much storage they're using. This is a great way to identify large apps that you no longer need. Tap the app you want to remove, then select Delete App and confirm your choice. Keep in mind that deleting an app will also erase its documents, cached files, and other data stored on your iPhone. If you still can't delete the app, the problem is usually caused by screen time restrictions. Go back to Settings, then tap Screen Time. Scroll down and open Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is turned on, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Next, select Deleting Apps and make sure it's set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, your iPhone will block you from deleting any apps. You can also go back and turn off content and privacy restrictions completely if you don't need them. You may be asked to enter your screen time passcode before making any changes. Once you've updated these settings, go back to your home screen, press and hold the app again, and you should now see the option to delete it. And that's all there is to it. Those are the easiest ways to delete apps on your iPhone and fix the issue if the delete option isn't showing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.